Athens is much more than the Acropolis. In this walk, we'll explore the heart of the city, from the Greek Parliament through the peaceful National Garden and ending at the historic Panathenaic Stadium. First of all, we're starting at the Parliament. Every day, they do the changing of guards. It is extremely hot, so you can stand here and wait, or try and hide in the shade, but most people probably end up walking away. Right next to it is the beautiful National Gardens. Right in front of you is a sundial and there's a map. Just like the Parliament, everything is completely free. Like most gardens, you've got beautiful flowers and paths to walk. The park is full of benches where you can sit and rest, and don't forget, you can also get some shade. There is also lots of wildlife here. You'll be able to see and hear a lot of birds, wild tortoises. With these ones you can actually touch and hold and pick up. There's also a zoo in here. Lots of statues and fountains, plenty of beaches around. In general, it's a very nice and peaceful place. There are a few signs around, and it also has Braille.
Elle a bougé la bouche, elle est vivante, elle est yeux. Elle a bougé, elle a pas bougé. Elle a bougé la bouche.
As you leave the garden, on the other side, you see this famous statue. Right ahead, across the road, you will reach the stadium. This is where the Olympics were. You can see it for free outside or pay for entry to go in, and you can run the tracks. There is no way I'm running in this heat. Overall, this is a fantastic Central Athens walk. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.